Hi, this is Ru from Ether. And Shenzhen EYA Cosmetic Company is a premier cosmetic brush manufacturer and explorer in Shenzhen, China. Let's go and see it. And these are our sample showroom. Do various kinds of brush customization according to your design. You can select from various types of synthetic fiber, natural hair, and eco-friendly wood, bamboo, and acrylics. And we have high-quality aluminum, copper material for your products. In 2015, we created and registered our own brand as Kinley, Eve and Bella. This is our milestone of business expansion. If you need customized products, our R&D team can have it ready for you within 10 to 15 days. We also offer customized packing options. We have provided OEM and ODM services for many famous brands, such as Essence, Disney's, and Babyless, for more than 5 years. Our feature is that we can make special hair shapes using high-quality materials. Special printing and different packing can meet all our customers' needs, such as the makeup tools and sponge, cosmetic pouch, and so on. So we always provide the best service for our products. So if you want to order some makeup brushes, contact us.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.